Hi Reception and welcome back to today's phonics. Now before we look at a new sound today, we're just going to play a little game together. So I have put on my spinning wheel, hopefully you can see that on the screen, all of the digraphs that we have been learning over the last few weeks. And for this game, you will need your whiteboard and a pen. Okay, I'm going to press the spinner and whatever sound the spinner lands on, I would like you to write me a word that has that sound in it. Okay, not going to have very long, so you write a word with what it stops on. Okay, let's go. Okay, so what digraph is that on the screen? Well done, E. Can you write me a word with the E sound? Anything you can think of. Off you go, I'm not going to give you very long. Okay, fantastic. Hopefully you've got a word on there. You might have beep or sheep or deep. Okay, there's lots of words with the E sound. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, what's that digraph? Well done, it's the ch sound. Can you write me a word, or more than one word would be incredible. Can you write me a word with the ch sound, please? Off you go. Okay, fantastic. You might have had words like chip or chin or chick, chicken, cheap. Okay, lots of different words there. Okay, let's do another one. We've just done that digraph, haven't we? I'm going to spin the wheel again, and hopefully this time we will get a different sound. Okay, what's that sound? Shh. Can you write me a word with the sh sound, please? Okay, super. You might have had a word like shop or ship or I'm struggling to think of some words with the sh sound this morning. Shell and shop. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to look at a new digraph today. Who can tell their grown up what a digraph is? Can you tell them for me? Okay, wonderful. A digraph is two letters that makes a sound. And to help us with our new sound today, we have got a video from Geraldine, and I know we love Geraldine helping us with our sounds. And the digraph that we are going to be looking at today is the A digraph. And sometimes we go like this, A, A, A. Can you make that sound? A, A, A. And you spell the A sound with an A and an I, or the letter names are A and I. Let's have a look together.
Geraldine, welcome to your next learning adventure. Today, Geraldine, you're going to learn about the A-I spelling just there to your side, and it makes the A sound. A, A, A. can you have a go of that A sound? Geraldine, can you stop thinking about it and do it? Have a good go. A. Wow, I knew you could do it, Geraldine. Good girl. Now, Geraldine, I would like you to have a look around the house for anything that has that A sound in, with the A-I spelling.
I'm just going to pause that there a moment. I wonder if you could think of anything around your house with the A sound. It's quite a tricky one, isn't it? Have a little think. I wonder if you can find any of the same things as Geraldine. Let's see.
Off you go then. So off she went around the house to find something featuring A. Geraldine, you brought me to the kitchen. Oh, you're having some rice. Now that doesn't have the A sound in, but they are grains of rice. That's right, grains. They have the A sound in, the A spelling, A-I. Well done, grain has an A-I in. Excellent, Geraldine. What else can you find? Aha, Geraldine! What have you found? Oh, it is a painting. And painting has the A-I spelling in and the A sound. Well done, Geraldine. Did you paint that? I think you did. You did. I saw you painting it with a brush last week. Well done. I love the strokes. Do you know, it reminds me of something. Something that belongs to Geraldine. It's all your feathers. It's rather abstract, Geraldine, but I do like it. What else can you find? Oh, Geraldine, look at the weather. Ooh, it's raining. And raining has that A sound in. Ugh, all that rain. Ooh, not very nice, is it? You're going to be soaked. Ooh.
Okay, fantastic. So Geraldine was looking for different things with the A digraph. Can you write the A sound for me, please, on your board? Okay, super. We are going to carry on practicing the A sound together. Okay, I'm just going to get that on the screen for us. Okay, so this digraph is A. You're going to see some words on the screen now, and these words all have the A digraph. Can you read the letters for me, please? Well done. Rain. Rain. Can you tell me the next one? Ain. Ain. Well done. Pain. Wait. Wait. Train. Train. Well done. Train. Tail. Tail. You sound it out. Ale. Ale. Snail. Snail. I've got a little sentence to read together now. Okay, can you read this sentence all by yourself? Look out for those tricky words. Okay, well done. The ox, fox, has a tail. The fox has a tail. Okay, I would like you to write me a sentence now, please. And your sentence that I would like you to write is, I can wait. I can wait. I can wait. Please, can you write that on your board for me? Remember your lovely lead-in letters. I can wait. Remember the A diagram? I've left it on the screen for you to help. Okay, let's check it together. Okay, I can wait. I can wait. Fantastic. The next sentence I would like you to write is, I like the rain. And I, like, and the are all tricky words. I like the rain. Please, can you write that sentence for me? Keep going. Doing a really good job. I like the rain. Okay, we're going to check it together. If you haven't finished that, don't worry, you can always pause the video. Okay, and here is the sentence. I, the tricky word like, well done if you remembered how to spell like, the rain. I like the rain. And I don't know why that word's gone at the bottom there. It should be here in this big gap, shouldn't it? Okay, fantastic work today. I am really, really impressed. Keep remembering your A sound, and I will see you very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.